STech here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own dual edge pickaxe from Fortnite. too much to talk about because most of it you already have seen in the time lapse. But I just want to talk about real quick about the templates because this part could be a little confusing. So I give you this template and right here. You see these two sheets of paper that fit together. So you'll have exactly what I have here. So what happens is to make this head 3D, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to this middle part is just take away all of this. So you want to cut out 2 of these. Then you want to cut out if you see this piece, just go down. If you, that probably doesn't make sense, but this piece right here is what's under here. So it doesn't curve like that. That's just what it shows right there. So you're just gonna want to cut out a piece that looks like this and just chop off that little end right there, that little nub that's sticking out. You kind of just make it a smooth curve down, and that's you're gonna cut out 2 of those. Hoping this is making sense. Then you're gonna cut out 1 of these. Sorry, 2 of these, 2 of these. And so basically, why it's all in different pieces, it's you don't exactly have all the templates. More of what I did was I just gave you the almost like a drawing. This is a drawing I made of it. And from that drawing, all the pieces, you arrange all these pieces into each different template. So it's this, minus that little nub right there, would be 1 piece. This is 1 piece. So, these middle parts are not only just, the part of the middle here. If you take this, this, and this, these 3, that makes that right there. And then you just add, if you add, make 2 of these, and then you add that little part from the back there. So then you have, if you draw 1 here, and then 1 here, and then put the little middle piece in the middle, you get. So if you kind of get that general idea, same thing with these 3 would make this. So all these pieces in here make those. I just don't have a bunch of those because those are just strips. So all these pieces together, it's almost like a puzzle. You put them together in different ways, and that's how they will make the different templates. Then you just have this, wrap it in the cardboard. There's 2 of these. 1 has a bigger opening. That's the only one. That's the one that can go inside here. The other one's attached to that because there's 3 chains. I made 2 of these out of double thick cardboard, glued them together. 4 of these, and then glued 2 together and another 2 together. They all have little slits so they can connect. And then lastly, this little piece. The side is a little more pointy. This is more flat. This is more pointy. The more pointy part is the part that goes down there. So I think that's it. Oh yeah. One more thing. The thing is, you might have seen me. I wrapped it, and then I unwrapped it. I just wrapped it just to check and make sure it fit. I did glue all of this. Is all glued down. And then it's kind of cut here and glued. Okay, I think this is about it. If you did enjoy, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you do not miss a single upload. And every time I upload, you'll get notified and you can watch it and you can get excited. And that would be great. So subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you next time.